Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will give information on how to fix ChatGPT Error Reading Documents. This error usually occurs due to a problem in the ChatGPT software. In addition, the problem occurring in OpenAI servers may also cause various errors like this. For this, we will give you a few suggestions and information on how to fix the error. When the OpenAI server is full, it causes the bandwidth to increase and users' access to the site to be restricted. Therefore, we can observe what is causing the problem by checking the OpenAI servers. NoteBooklM is a user-friendly system that provides personal note-taking and information management with a text-based artificial intelligence model. Users can organize topics ranging from lecture notes to work projects and interact with the model's responses. This system is designed to increase efficiency and adapts to different needs with its flexibility. If you continue to receive errors on ChatGPT servers or software, you can use the NoteBooklM alternative. In this video, we gave information on how to fix hacked error reading documents. If you still have a problem, you can write in the comments.